I'm going to show you what to do with your overripe bananas. We're going to make some banana fritters. So first, this is a very quick recipe. First we have the mashed banana. You got to mash the bananas and get them really soft and soggy. And then I'm going to add the sugar. And mix it in well. So that's the sugar all blended in. I'm going to add some cinnamon, some nutmeg, and a little bit of salt. Angela just reminded me that this is one of the first things that I taught them to make, and she almost burned the kitchen down. My old brains cannot remember it, but that must have been something else.
You don't remember that, Mom?
No, not at all. We West Indian like a little bit of vanilla extract. And now to bind it all, I'm going to add flour. And we just fold it in. Some people add a little baking powder to the batter, but I don't usually add. I like it this way. Then it's sticky and stretchy. When you add the baking powder, it makes it a little lighter. The texture changes, but whatever you like. Try them both, you might like, and then you can decide which one you like. I like this one. I'm going to add some oil to the pan and get it all nice and hot. And I'm going to drop this one in. So now I'm flipping them over. Soon we'll have banana fritters ready to go, nice and warm. And you can use it as a dessert too with some ice cream or some whipped cream. And when you press it like this, you should not have anything coming out. If it's still uncooked, it will come through. See, it's all firm, so it's nearly cooked.
It's also good, and you want it to be nice and brown or golden on the outside.
Yeah. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little sugar. Oh, that's too much. I'm going to use my finger. Sprinkle a little sugar just to finish it off.
I like them when they're warm though.
Yeah.
To me, they're the best when
They're best when they're nice and warm. Right now they're hot. There's the banana fritters. So easy. Done in no time and ready to eat. Nice and warm. Enjoy. Don't throw out your overripe bananas. Make banana fritters. They're good. Check my website, cooklikeajamaican.com, for all the information and all the recipes. And for the latest one, banana fritters. Bye for now.